are you doing, my daughter, this morning? Yeah.
Yeah, welcome to A Foreigner in the Philippines. I'm transferring some of the plants because I put this in the pot and it's dried. Maybe there's no enough space for the roots. But I'm now very careful because we got a lot of pipe underneath here. And the plants from Canada is now growing. This is it. Look at that.
Wa manurok bit?
Nanurok.
Maunang naa?
Di ba kanisang
Sagbot mo ka na. Wa ti mo turok.
bila-bila na.
Oy, bila-bila na.
It looks like it grow, but it seems not. Yeah, but so far so good. We're still having problem in the water. That's why we on and off every time, so that we can cater on, because Nanay and I and parents are drinking. We buy water from the mineral water, but the rest of this here just drink on the well water. So that's why we're having some in the morning. I on the water, and then in the then off after few minutes until the water is drained. And then in the afternoon also I throw naitagtanaw.
Na bitaw na.
And in the afternoon I also on the water, and all of them can have some water at the same time in the morning, because the water is not enough, because until now there's no rain. Until I think the El Nino is until June or May, so we're trying to conserve water. Yeah, so that's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I plant some corn here. Hey, dog. Yeah, we got some Carabao poop here. Some of the kids are bringing Carabao poop for sale. So I bought it. And then there are some corns already here. And I also have some beans.
Sa mga gaw.
Yeah, so that's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe.